What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, the US Mini Trucks. We got a little Honda Acty here. The dude called me about a couple months ago and he's saying he took it to couple of mechanics. He took it to some big shop in the state I live in. Nobody could fix this truck. So I'm not sure if I bit off more than I could chew. We'll do a little walk around and you guys write in the comments and stuff and see what you think is wrong with them. I'm gonna go get out. Got a little snow here. Try to zoom out. The Honda Acty. This is the EO7A. It's got the Gatorade overflow reservoir. One thing I saw when it came, the fuel pump was not connected. So this top hose was loose, just dangling there. You can see somebody's been in there. And then they did something here trying to reattach the ground wires. There you can see, let's see, I'm not sure. But we're getting there's the ignition. No fuel, no spark. So this is how the guy brought it to me. The shop just left these relays. You got like 2 of everything, so somebody bought a bunch of stuff and then put it back. This is mine. What else was wrong with it? Yeah, I mean, just piles of weird. Like you got this is brand new, or it's somewhat brand new. There's only 3 cylinders. I don't know. They're just, I mean, some people with this paint, huh? Okay. And then the other thing I saw I didn't like, or probably part of the problem was, which we've all seen before, but this fuse was just jumped, so they had a wire. I'll cut to a different clip here. Chris, don't ever do this, please. Look at this. I'm over here trying to work on this dude's car, and someone's trying to kill me. So, I don't want to name the name of the shop, but this is some big shop, so this is no good. I had a 40 amp fuse that I blew. Let me see. It's in my truck, so waiting to get more 40 amp fuses. I think I ordered 10 of them on Amazon. Hey, come around. He was saying something to the other place put a new fuel or dropped the fuel tank and cleaned it. New fuel pump. And I'm thinking there's some problem with the distributor. Because when I hooked up the distributor, and I had that 40 amp, it popped the fuse. You can see now. I thought I heard something. On the newer ones, this is where the computers are. They're kind of actually mounted up here, but I took them down for testing. You got these relays. I got a couple spares that I could test. That's for your fan though. And then that's pretty much it. Let me show you one thing I saw on this distributor, which I'm like is kind of a little bit weird, but crawl under there. Nice and icy, just like we like it. So this is the power source coming in, and it does have 12 volts here. And then what was it trying to do? Somebody had rigged this cable, and this is supposed to have a connector, and I'm not sure the connector is spliced off, and then they put these things, and these things were kind of wedged in here, which is 2 fittings, and then this was going in here, and then they had this going into here. It was weird when I put my voltmeter, you had 12 volts here but not here, so I'm not sure what the hell this little box is, but I don't know. So, a little confusing, but I think when I do it, I'm gonna just bypass this box, take it off, and then when I blew the fuse, I just had these in there, like that. And these were actually going here, but because there's no shielding on them, you know, if it could be well that they're just touching. So there's really no way to place that wire because it goes internal to the distributor. And I suspect this distributor has got some internal short or something. It was pushing like 40 amps, so more than 40 amps in, when they had bypassed that fuse. So if you put in the internals, I ordered a couple things, this ignition control module. I'll show you on the other side. But I'm pretty sure we got to pull that distributor anyways because you could see it's leaking oil right here. So we're gonna have to fix that. But that's it. Down in the comments what you think. If we bit off more than we can chew. I don't want to lose my pieces here. This. I already lost the screw. Okay, it's over here. Well, please guys, don't ever bypass this. 40 amp fuse. If you can't afford it, just write me something and I'll mail you one. But I mean, you literally could kill somebody with that. So it's not solving any problems if you're creating new ones. Alright, hopefully this helps. Help me solve what's wrong with it. I made the mistake, not really a mistake, but I told the owner, I said, oh, I've never had a Honda Acty I couldn't fix. So freaking set the bar high, but it's no hill for a climber. Mini Truck Nation, Mini Truck Army. Alright, have a good one. Bye.